Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, let's take a look again Bitcoin market. So yesterday we talked about the possible retracement up in the condition if market will keep some important levels, but as you can see, miracle hasn't happened, and in general on the daily chart you could see what is going on. So actually we talked about this previously yesterday, I talked about it again. So this is type of the action that I call as a creeping with the reversal. So market shows every time harmonic retracement when it hits the oversold area, but then downward direction is continuing. Currently market, so here as market has hit our 1618 butterfly, shows minor pullback here, then collapsed lower, and in fact the problems with the Bitcoin is twofold. So first of all is the negative fundamental background that stands beyond the cryptocurrencies right now. So we talked about it. It's now a recent report that we have put in the forum, and also from technical point of view, market doesn't have any significant support levels below current price. So every major support area already has been broken. So major FIB supports. Market is not oversold at the weekly chart, so it could easily drop lower and hit our targets. So yesterday we have talked about weekly targets, but currently we should understand what could happen within the 1-2 sessions. So on the daily chart, currently it seems that market is forming a kind of the pin and pattern. So it's considered kind of the consolidation, tight consolidation here, that potentially is bearish, because you know that the flag patterns, pin and patterns is a continuation technical patterns and usually lead to direction that was formed before the pattern. So after pin and pattern will be completed, downward action should continue, at least on the daily chart. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, market forms, as I said, nicely looking harmonic retracements. They could be of the different slope. Here, as you can see, flat retracement. There is a bit steeper retracement, but the range of this retracement approximately the same. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, market's moving inside of the channel, and recently two bullish grabbers have been formed that suggest the taking out of the stop. So in the current situation, you can see that grabbers are not very reliable patterns. So for example, on the recent consolidation, grabber also has been formed, but it has failed since market hasn't taken out of the stop and just turned down. Here's also, it's not the guarantee that these grabbers will work, but still that's a scenario that we should keep an eye on. Besides, it means that these lows will be important for a short-term perspective. Once market will drop below them, it will mean that market is coming lower to the next destination point, to another leg down, at least to the next area of the daily oversolds that will stand approximately around 31 even. This will be next support on the daily, because weekly target, as you know, stands below the 3000 level. So that being said, these two lows are important for a short-term perspective, because the last, let's call it just bullish hope, because this is grabbers, they suggest the taking out of this top, and once they will be broken, it means that market turns down again to the next leg downward action. So yesterday we also talked about this possible retracement. It's kind of retracement. Yes, we said if market somehow will hit the XOP, that could become the bottom of the right shoulder, and in this case kind of the hand shoulders could be formed. But take a look what has happened in reality. Market actually has failed to proceed higher with this ABCD pattern after the consolidation here. It was not able to break through this trend line and turned down. As a result, the C point of this pattern has been broken, and this pattern is not valid anymore. This is bearish sign, guys. Instead of that, as I said, two grabbers have been formed here, and that is our actual pennant. pattern. So on hourly chart it looks like the triangle, but that's the pattern that I'm talking about on daily chart. So while the C point is valid and while grabber stands valid, and theoretically this ABCD pattern could be formed. It's approximately 42 even. Some retracement here could be formed. But my point of view, guys, these chances are not really significant, because take a look on this fast acceleration here on the hourly chart recently. Market was not able to proceed higher and to complete XLP target with this. Instead of that, it has failed to break this area and trumped lower, erase this ABCD pattern. On this background here, price action stands much weaker compared to what we have here in this area. And instead of that, there's still chances that market could form a kind of butterfly again, dropping to the 32 even. That will be also daily result. So I would suggest that the appearing of the butterfly here, it seems more probable than the upward breakout and forming the one to the 42 even, guys. So, but anyway, since we have the patterns in place, since we have grabbers in place, keep an eye on these lows. So once market will break these lows, it will mean that market is coming to the 32 even area, because this is next support that it has around daily oversold. So this will be another leg down probably, if these lows will be taken out. While these lows will hold on the market, theoretical chance on kind of the ABC retracement stands on the table. But guys, my opinion is that's really phantom possibility for Bitcoin right now. So anyway, charts don't lie. So if you would like to take the long position, you theoretically could do this, although yesterday we have warned you that currently we're really not fascinating with any bullish positions, and it's better to treat any retracement currently as a potential to go short. But if you would like to try taking the position on these grabbers, your task trying to take position as close to the invalidation point as possible, with the hope that market will show action to the 42 area. So, but as I said, personally, I do not want to take the position in the current environment that Bitcoin has right now. So let's see what we'll get tomorrow.